Good morning, students. Now, from day one, like when we started our session of 12th standard, day one से एक क्वेश्चन कॉमन है मैम हमारा कोर्स कितना रिड्यूस होगा व्हाट इज द रिडक्शन इन द कोर्स सो टुडे we are going to discuss about the reduction in your course which is given by the government. Yesterday government has declared about the reduction in the course. इससे पहले मैं CBSE बोर्ड का जो कोर्स रिडक्शन था वो हमने डिस्कस किया था बट नाउ वी हैव JSEB का भी हमारे पास कोर्स रिडक्शन आ गया है. वी हैव ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड योर चैप्टर नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड 5. उसमें से सिर्फ एक ही पॉइंट रिड्यूस हुआ है. ऑल द पॉइंट्स आर इंक्लूडेड. सो टिल नाउ we have done whatever will be included in the course. Now last two chapters are totally excluded and what other points are excluded we are going to discuss in this lecture. So let us start with our lecture. Okay students, so since we started our course the day one, the common question which each and every student had for me कि ma'am what is the reduction in the course, हमारे कोर्स में क्या रिडक्शन है, प्लीज़ लेट अस नो द रिडक्शन. सो एज गवर्नमेंट हैज़ डिक्लेयर्ड द रिडक्शन येस्टरडे, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द रिडक्शन विच इज़ डन इन योर OCM course. Let us start with your chapter number 1. So in chapter number 1, as I told you that this chapter would be your basic chapter. That is why from this chapter there is no reduction. Zero reduction is there from chapter number 1. From chapter number 2, principles of management. Now principles of management, again there is zero reduction. Whole chapter will be included. Next, third chapter would be your planning. Here also no reduction is there. All the chapter points are included. Chapter number 4, same as chapter number 1, 2, 3. No reduction is there. Chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4, zero reduction is there by the board. Now we'll move on to the chapter number 5. We have already completed your chapter number 5, yes or no? So from this point number 5.2, that is human resource management, staffing as a part of human resource management, that point will be reduced from chapter number 5. So from all the chapters which we have completed, only the one point, that is staffing as a part of human resource management, is reduced. Now to be very frank, I am going to explain each and every point to you, but when you are preparing for your examination you have to exclude. That is to say chapter number 1 to 4 में से कुछ भी exclude नहीं करना है, सब कुछ पढ़ना है, लेकिन chapter number 5 में से you have to exclude staffing as a human resource management. Exclude that point. Let us move on to the third, you can say chapter number 6. Now in chapter number 6, that is we are going to start from tomorrow, that is your directing. Now from directing, the point of 6.5 of your textbook, आप अपनी textbook खोलेंगे तो textbook का जो first page होता है like this over here. See, जैसे 1.6, तो जैसे हम लोग चैप्टर नंबर 6 निकालेंगे तो 6.5, दिस पॉइंट लीडरशिप, ये जो पूरा लीडरशिप का पॉइंट है 6.5 इज रिड्यूस्ड. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट दैट इज रिड्यूस्ड इज 6.6, दैट इज कम्युनिकेशन. दिस कम्युनिकेशन चैप्टर पॉइंट इज ऑल्सो रिड्यूस्ड from directing chapter. So 6.5 and 6.6 are reduced from your chapter number 6, that is directing. Now from chapter number 7, again nothing is reduced. We are just discussing the points which are reduced. So from controlling, again nothing is reduced. Chapter number 8. Let us move on to the chapter number 8. In chapter number 8, point number 8.2, that is about financial decision. As I told you, again you have to see your page number 84, 8.2. This point will be reduced, and next is your 8.5, that is your fixed capital. These 2 points, that is to say 8.2 में 8.2.1, 2.2 and 2.3, all these 3 points, and 8.5.1, 5.2 and 5.3, all these 3 points will be reduced from your course. So 8.2 and 8.5, financial decision and fixed capital are reduced. Now from chapter number 9, financial market, again nothing is reduced, nil will be reduced. And we'll move on to the chapter number 10, that is your marketing management. Again from our chapter number 10, nothing is reduced. Now very interesting thing is from chapter number 11 and chapter number 12, both this chapter are excluded. The whole chapters of this, you can say chapter number 11 and chapter number 12 will not be included in your course. So at the end of the day, what you have to do, out of 12 chapter you have to study only chapter number 1 to 10, and then from there also Staffing as a part of human resource management, leadership, communication, financial decision, and fixed capital are reduced. So with this, we can say 32, I would say, just a second, 30 to 35% of your course is reduced, and your examinations will be from May. So you have ample of time. आपकी board examination normally कब होती थी? It was in the month of March. But this year your examination will be in the month of May. So you have ample of time to study. First thing, you are at home. You are at home. You are in peace, and we are sending you the lectures. So with the help of the lectures, you have to study in the, you can say, and score best marks. Yes or no? Because this is the golden opportunity. This is the opportunity of the millennium. Millennium में किसी को ऐसी opportunity नहीं मिली थी कि घर पे बैठ के पढ़ो और course भी कम हो जाएगा और आपको, you can say, you will score good marks. Yes or no? So do your best, give your best, and with this we complete your lecture. Okay? Stay home, stay safe, and prepare for your test which is postponed. आपका टेस्ट भी postpone हो गया है. Yes or no? So okay, so have a nice day ahead, students. Goodbye.